Solution. Okay, guys, this is for Cisco packet tracer users. Those who are facing this problem, if you type enable, this is the right command, and if you type something wrong here, then it will show IP domain lookup. So it may take 3 to 4 minutes. If you want to terminate this, just press Control, Shift, and exponential symbol button from keyboard. It will be aborted now. Let me try again. Control, Shift, exponential, or 6 button. Let me show you what are the buttons. This is Control, Shift, and then exponential. This command, this will terminate. So let me do it again by showing here. I've pressed Control, Shift, and then exponential. As you can see, this is terminated. So to configure, not to search for the domain lookup, you need to go to the config t, and then after that, no IP domain. Okay, no IP domain lookup. If you type that and if you try typing wrong command, it won't take time. It will just say you it's not found, and you can continue with the work. Okay, thank you for watching. That's it for today. See you in the next video.